Are you living in the Miami area? And are you tired of looking for a good and affordable hairstylist that can style your hair as desired? In MAPA's Marketing Plus and Services, yes, this channel, we are here to help you discover all the best companies or professionals that are providing great services and amazing product, right? So keep on watching this video and you will discover which hairstylist that can help you better satisfy your need with an affordable price. Keep on watching. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm always so happy to be with you. So if you're new here, I should tell you that this channel is here to help all the business owners target and find more customers for their business. We are helping business owners marketing their business, okay? But we are also helping customers discover all the best companies or professionals that are providing great services and amazing products. Okay guys, so if you didn't subscribe yet to this channel, make sure you do this now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so we can help you better, okay, as a business owner or a customer. Okay guys, so today I'm excited, guys. I'm really excited to introduce you to another company which name is Shiza Beauty Salon. Yes, Shiza Beauty Salon. Shiza Beauty Salon. Yay! Yes, Shiza Beauty Salon. You remember last week I introduced you to Shiza the Core. Yes, Shiza the Core. If you didn't watch this video, you can watch it. You can watch it. It's still in my channel. Okay, so Shiza Beauty Salon is like the same brand of business as Shiza the Core. Yeah, same brand of business. They do several things. Okay, so at Shiza Beauty Salon, we are helping you. We help you be beautiful, and the most important, with an affordable price. Okay, that's what is important to us. Affordable prices. Okay, so we can style your hair like we do braid, knotless braid, butterfly lock, crochet lock. We do extension. Everything you need to change your look, we provide it. So like we can do it for you. We twist, we braid, everything, guys. Okay, so we have affordable prices. Talking about affordable prices, let me tell you that we have a promotion running since March 7, 2022 until May 7th, 2022. 2 months of discount, guys. 2 months of discount. Is that good? Yeah, it's really interesting, guys. So you have 2 months, and during this period of time, we are providing 25% off. We're giving you 25% off on our previous price. So in the next slideshow, I'm gonna show you the our regular prices, and during this period of time, guys, you are going to have 25% off. It's really amazing, guys. Yeah, so keep on watching and let's see our customers' testimonies. What are they saying, and what we have been done. Okay, so keep on watching.
Do you want beautiful hair like this? Beautiful braids, knotless braids? Go see Roshisa.
Have you noticed how happy our customers are? One of them said, Go see Shiza. Shiza can help you. Shiza can style your hair beautiful and the most important with an affordable price. Yes, guys. Yes, it's true. So if you want to participate in this promotion, like to take advantage of the discount, make sure you dial this number now, the number you are seeing now. And I should remind you that the promotion is from March 7th, 2022 until May 7th, 2022. Okay, guys, the promotion for the 25% discount. Okay, so if you're living in Miami area, because she's a beauty salon is in Miami, so make sure you book with us. And to book with us, make sure you dial this number now, as I said before. Okay, guys. So I should tell you that also. While you are booking, you're gonna have to pay a $20 deposit. $20 deposit, like to secure your appointment, and the $20 is deducted from the full amount that you will have to pay. Okay, guys, for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, make sure you do this now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel now, and you click the bell icon below now. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. Thank you so much for accepting my help, and I am always happy to help you guys. I am always happy to be with you, and I'll be happy again to see you in the next video.